We're sitting at around 190 degrees. The light stopped flashing. We've set the machine to 190 degrees for 180 seconds. When it reaches 190 degrees, that light will stop flashing. Place the mug in and press the timer. That will count down 180 seconds. While this is still counting down, I'd also like to demonstrate that a 15-ounce mug, which is a slightly larger diameter, about 9 centimetres, can also be accommodated by the double mug press. And there we go. Open up your heat press and remove the transfer. There we go. It's a really nice colour. It's printed all the way to the edges, and I think a good endorsement of the double mug press.